this on Amazon for $200 flat. It is a full frame wide angle lens for my Sony A7. Let's see, so this is the box. Just got branding again, pretty much just showing what's in the lens. On this side, it shows angle of view on the mount, so Sony A mount, which is 115.7, and on APS-C it would be 93.9. So let's open it up. It feels loose, which it's literally just like set in there. There's a tiny foam cutout inside it. There we go. That should look a little better. Here's the manual, which I don't really need. And here's the lens itself. It is quite hefty for how the size of it. Pretty small. I mean, pretty thin. Pretty, but decently long. It is a f2.8 14mm for full frame lenses. Rokinon makes it. Rokinon is a great brand for lenses. They do sell autofocus. This is just the manual focus lens. Pretty cool. Got a clickable aperture, it looks like. A nice smooth focus ring, but wow, that is a long time to focus though. That is quite a long way. Okay, so if I was holding my camera like this is how many times it would take. 1 ring, 2, 3. 3 spins to get it from infinity to 0.28. Glass looks pretty nice. The hood is pretty nice as well. This is not a fisheye either, so that's nice. All I've been doing since I bought this camera was using the 28-70 kit lens, but I really needed a wide angle. I had one on my Nikon, and I love wide angle. It's just beautiful. The red dot on there to the white dot. Okay, that is quite front heavy, but it's not too bad. It's on there pretty tight as well, which is nice. Looks kind of cool. This is going to be a bother to balance on the Zion crane, but that's alright. So yeah, first impressions are it's really sturdy, all made out of metal, except the lens hood, of course. So at 1000 ISO, the f2.8 really shows. That is really nice. The f2.8 really makes it a great low light lens, which is what I would like it for. My last wide angle was f4, and that was kind of a pain at night and stuff. A Sony with an f2 lens, just a really great low light combination right there. With focus peaking, it makes the manual a lot easier. So yeah, that's pretty much the unboxing and first impressions. I'm going to show you some footage I got with it right now, with some footage and some practice shots. Alright, so this is video on the 14. This is my computer, which is like maybe 2 feet away. So yeah, I can just touch it with my hand. That is so weird. My desk, you can get the entire thing in frame. Like my mic over there. So this 14, you can put APS-C mode on and crop it in more, which I really like. That's pretty useful. So it's not really a fixed lens. I mean, it is a fixed lens, but it's not really a problem. So this lens, like I said, is fully manual focus, which is a little downer, but because of its price, I bought it for $200. And $200 for a full frame lens is almost like unheard of. It's pretty soft around the edges of some images, but right in the center, like the middle portions, other than just like around the edges, are pretty sharp, are very sharp for how cheap this was. The focus is very easy to do. I'm just really excited to use this in the future. Like I said, because of the focus peaking that comes with the Sony A7, manual focus isn't as big of an issue as it would be. So yeah, this is my first fast aperture lens that is lower than a 50mm. I have had a 51.8 before, which I love those, but just a wide 2.8, really great for the price. I'd highly recommend this if you can find it. I bought it used, by the way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I would recommend this lens if you're just starting out. Consider sharing this video with a friend, and see you next time.